pottery friends. I'm going to pick this up for you to show you because, as promised, I will share with you the footage of how I made this one. It's all done. Chain is up so it can hang, and I wanted to talk you through this first just a little bit. I had the camera rolling while I was making this, but I wanted to focus, so I just had the camera rolling, and I am going to turn this video into an ASMR style kind of thing. I'll speed you up a bit so it won't take hours, because this takes hours. And I wanted to focus. I love to have you with me when I'm experimenting, and things go wrong and it's all fine, but this is a commission, so I wanted to be concentrate and make it good, and it worked. So yeah, I've sped it up a bit, and you will see the whole process. Just a little inside information is that this is a wedding gift, and the design on there I took from the wedding invitation. My customer sent me a picture, and the picture, she sent me a digital file, but the wedding gift already was an artwork, a piece of art, because it was made from a wood carving. So it was a bit difficult to find pieces to trace, but I found good pieces to trace. I got the picture to the right size on my computer, traced it off the screen, then traced that onto my slip, and then I carved it. The slip was also custom made for her. She wanted an earthy tone. This is made from the slip, from the clay body, with mason stains, and the colors are dark chocolate, sunshine, and dark red. And that's how I got this beautiful earthy tone. And yeah, that's the inside, so to speak, and the rest you will see. So grab a cuppa, and the video will show you how this came to be. And at the end, for those of you who might be interested in Bonaire, I visited our beautiful park here on Bonaire with a friend. Took some footage of that too, so I'll put in some nice rough coastal footage from Bonaire. If you're interested, you can see that at the end of the video. And yeah, I'm going off to edit the video now, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. ocean, but it's fun. Well, I'm not driving. That would be not wise, but she's driving. And we are in our national park, which is called Washington Slagbaai. And I thought I'd take you along for the ride for a little bit.
Wanna go to Chickatoo?
Chickatoo? Yes, let's go to Chickatoo. Okay. Can see the ocean. That's where we're going. Over there. I'm pointing. Over there.